Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another haul. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another haul for you babies, cause I know you love these hauls. I know y'all love these hauls. Today's haul, this is basically a back to school type of haul. My first back to school haul, because I'm gonna have a lot more. It's more like summer haul, honestly, but I'm just gonna name it back to school haul because knowing me, actually I don't think I will always back to school. Maybe like one thing out of this whole thing, but listen, I'm still out of school. Like I don't start school until September, so this could really be like a summer haul for me as well. This whole package from Loopsana, this is a surprise package because I was not expecting to get this package, so I'm really hyped. Let's get right into this big package. I got so many things, so let's go for it. I already cut it open, as you guys can see, because we don't play no games over here. No ma'am. No ma'am. First item, it's this black and white jumpsuit. I already know what this is because I was gonna wear it today. Well, yesterday, because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I was gonna wear this today. Well, yesterday, but it's kind of big on me, and like I cut out the pads that came with. I'm gonna show you guys. This is a size extra small, and I cut out. It was like padding inside of it, but it looked so dumb. Like I took it out. No, it looked really good. I'm sorry, but it was like padding inside of here, like this little extra layer. But I took it out because it looked dumb, like I said, and I did not want that in there. But yeah, it's kind of big on me, like around here. I already knew it was going to be big on me right there, though. But everything else is tight on me. And it's supposed to be extra small, so I'm like, why is it so big on me? Like, the place that needs to not be big on me. Like, oh, yeah, by the way, my friend, he did my makeup, and he did an excellent job. Like, yeah, he did my makeup, like, he did my makeup, like, yesterday, like, around, I don't even know what time, but the whole point is, baby, it's the next day and it still look pretty good. So book him. Look at my Instagram, you will see I tagged him. Period. It's a black and white jumpsuit. It reminds me of the Adidas one, but you know, it's not Adidas, but it's still cute nevertheless. My mom has the Adidas jumpsuit, so I thought it was so cute. But it has 2 stripes right here, 2 white stripes. It's like a legging material basically all around. In the back, it's like shows your back. It's a low backing, so it shows your back. Cute. And yeah, that's basically it. It's really cute. This is school friendly. Now if you can't wear this to school, I don't know what to tell you. I go to high school, we don't really have a dress code. I mean, you could say we have a dress code, but nobody follows it. I don't follow it. Like, and they don't say nothing to me because, like, I don't literally wear the crop top in school, guys. So when you see me on my get ready with me's, I wear it to school, but I don't literally have it out. Like, I show my belly the whole time in school. No. I always have a jacket on. So everybody in the comments like, oh my God, you really wear that to school? Even though I had like a freaking tank top with a jean skirt, and I had on an oversized jean jacket so you wouldn't see my stomach. It was like so stupid to me. Like, shut up. Next outfit I was also going to wear yesterday. I'm just going to wear this today. But it's just this nice little tank top dress. It has like this skinny straps, which is similar to like some tops that I got from Loopsana. I just love the straps like this. It's like so cute to me. I don't know why. But it's a plain black dress. I don't have like a t-shirt black dress like this, so I wanted it. You know, black goes with everything, and I was like, why not? It's simple. It looks pretty short, but we're gonna try it on to see because I am 4'11", so it might not be short on me. Your girl got a lot of black things because black goes with everything, okay? That's not 2 black items already. This is so bad. Next thing is another black thing. Ooh, we gothic over here. This is also in the extra small. I remember everything I got, most of it. So this is just like a reflective shirt, and it says bad girl because I am a bad girl. I am bad and I'm a girl. No, but it's really cute, guys. It's like a little cute like tank top type of shirt. It's like the vibe of like a boy tank top. You know how like the boys tank tops are so thick? It gives me those vibes, but it's a crop top, so I don't know if you guys could tell. Oh, you guys could tell. It's really gray. It's actually gray. Oh my gosh, I'm colorblind. It's gray, guys. Sorry, but yeah, probably was like, oh my God, Iceland, that's definitely not black. I'm sorry, okay? gosh. But it says bad girl, and when you take a picture it's gonna be effective. So yes. Next thing is another black thing. See, yeah, I know this is too. This is a pajama set. It's really cute. Here's a tank top. Oh, is it extra small? No, this is in a size small. That's why it looks kind of big. Well, very big. Here's it, but it's supposed to fit like kind of big. You know how it's supposed to feel like a little bit droopy or like flowy? That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. You ever saw the TV show My Girlfriend? But yeah, you know how like when it was like dancing in their flowy clothes, this is what it reminds me of. And I have a big picture of me in like these satin pajamas that are like similar to this, but I look like a Chinese baby. I always did, and I still do now. But yeah, it just gives me those vibes. Like it brings me back in the days when I was young. I'm not a kid anymore. Here's the little satin shorts. Nothing too special. They're elastic band at the waist. Yeah, they look high-waisted, but I'm pretty sure they're not. I love like matching pajama sets because I really don't have too much. It was like mostly when I was a kid I had them, but you know when you get older you just wear anything to bed. So. Next two things is the two things that I wanted so bad, and this other company I picked those out. Like I actually wanted to buy them, but they didn't have any. They were sold out, so they was like, I'll give you something else, like an alternative. And I was like, damn, I really wanted those though, but it's okay, it's okay. So Sonic gave me two of these. Like I picked out two just in case they didn't want to give me like one color, or they didn't have that one color, give me another color. But no, baby, they gave me two of the same thing. Baby girl, baby girl. So here's the lime green one. I think it's just a plain little like, you know, sweatshirt type of skirt. You know, you see how it has like a little hem at the bottom. It's cute. It's like tight fitting. I tried it on. It makes me look good. It makes my body look nice. But no, baby, look at the back. Baby, y'all thought it was basic. No, baby, we're never basic over here, period. Get with the program or get going. But yeah, it just says pink baby on it. I don't know why. Just say lime baby on it. Nah. I don't know why. Is that a clothing brand or something? I don't freaking know. But it just says pink baby and like the reflective material. You guys already know how I get down with the reflective material. I'm always gonna keep y'all in tune with the reflectiveness, period. Then I got the same one in my favorite color, and both these are size extra small. This one is like a little cute coral pink. It says pink baby. See, I understand why this says pink baby, because it's pink baby. I'm so corny. Anyways, so the front is plain that you guys can see. You think it's sweet like I just showed you guys, but no, baby, it's not. This one is cuter to me, honestly, because I love the color pink. But I do like neon colors too. But I got two cute clothing items in the exact same one in different colors, so I'm just obsessed right now. I just love it. It's my favorite items, and they fit me so well, so I'm happy about that, because I was really hoping they sent me these items and that it would fit me as well. Am I don't even know. I probably will, but I probably won't. So next thing is like this cutout hoodie type shirt. I have like two of these. I have a black one and I have a gray one that I don't really wear because it has like so much writing on it. But yeah, this reminds me of like my black one that's like plain, and this one's just plain too. And like honestly, it goes with my Louis Vuitton bag so well. That'd be cute, even though that's not a clothing item. But anyways, yeah, this is cute. It's just nude. They have, of course, different color options, but I wanted nude. I don't know why I wanted nude, but yeah, something different. Oh yeah, they also gave me a cute little Loopsana bag that they always give like the Loopsana shoppers. It's really cute. Next up are these cute little tear apart shorts or tearaway shorts, because I have like similar. I have a similar item like this, but they're pants, and I never ever wore them. So you have to go on my Poshmark. So you want to buy those? Check out my Poshmark. Okay. Alright. This is like a royal blue, like my hair. But my hair is like way darker, like more like a navy. Nah, it's royal blue, but you get it. This is more like a royal blue. But they're really, really stretchy. They have the elastic band on the waist, so yeah. And on the sides, you just could tear apart. Scandal! Scandal! But the top don't unbutton because they don't want you to be too scandalous. Like, they want you to be scandal, but at the same time, they like calm down. I don't remember what this is. Ow. Oh, all right. This, yeah, this is like a cover-up dress. Well, it is a cover-up dress. Like, obviously you wear a bathing suit and then you wear this, you know, or it could just be like a beach dress. But it's gonna be a cover-up dress for me, or it could be a beach dress. I don't know. But it's just a white mesh dress, and then obviously you can't be scandal with this one because it covers your little tatas, yes. And then it's like the little skinny straps, which I love, like I told you guys before. And it's just mesh all the way down. So you got that going on, give me beach vibes. I'm ready to go on vacation. Like, I just want to go on vacation already. Never mind, guys. This is another summer try-on haul. This is not no back-to-school haul because stuff in here is not for school. Yeah, no. But here's the bottoms, guys. I think this is the top. Yeah, this is the top. Here's the bottom, guys. So yeah, you know, you just put this under the dress, then you Gucci. So here's the little like dress. It's like a little t-shirt dress, but it's like reflective bands, as you guys can see. You see how it has like reflectiveness like all over the sides, like that little skinny line. Yes, like I said, I got you with the reflectiveness. I got ya. It says rock more, which I hate when it says that. Like, why are you saying rock more? No reason. Like, it makes you not want to buy it. But yeah, guys, it's just white, and it has like a little reflective band in the front and the back, period. And it's short sleeve. Well, a little turtleneck. I think this is so cute. I've been feeling for this as well with the two skirts because I don't know. It's been giving me Kim K vibes with that like t-shirt dress on. This is a dress, and this is in the size extra small. Wait, is it? This is in the size small. See, I see, because it looks kind of big. Black and white dress is so cute. I like this. Yeah, it's giving me like Barbie vibes. It's giving me like sophisticated baddie vibes. Like, didn't I already say that? Real hot girl shit. Nah, but it's so cute. It's like a bodycon dress. It is a bodycon dress. So like, it's supposed to give you the illusion that you have a Barbie body. You feel me? Like, this is like a Barbie dress, doesn't it? Like, you see the lines where it wants your curves to show at. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's another dress, guys, but this is reflective. Are you surprised? No. All right. So it's just a reflective dress. I think it's so cute. Honestly, I don't know if I would really wear this. I would. I'm bugging. I would. It's cute. And it has like a little, it's not deep, but like a v-neck. Yeah, with like skinny straps, and then the back it just looks like this. I mean, I couldn't see when I put it on, but yeah, it's cute. It's effective all around, baby. Like, I'm gonna be glowing. I'm gonna be a whole light bulb. Alright? Yeah, I think this is cute. Second to last thing. It's a two-piece set, I believe. Yes, it is. So here's the this is the size extra small. Here's the shirt. It just looks like this. It's like a teal. Honestly, this is the type of hair color that I want to do next. Not next, but like, yeah, next. Yeah, it's cute. I like this. I want like a like pastel blue. But anyways, it looks like this. It has the teal blue with the white stripes all over, and then the bottom has the elastic band. Oh, this is really thick. Okay. This actually feels like good quality. I'm not even gonna lie. Out of all these items, this feels the best quality. So yeah. Then the bottom is just a skirt. And it's just plain skirt. It has the same elastic band as the bottom of the shirt. And yeah, it's a mini skirt, I guess you could say. Yeah. And it's the same teal color as the shirt. And that is that. This is cute. Oh, I wish I could do that. Last item, I think I know what this item is. I have to know. This is probably the complicated like shirt. Yeah, it is. Alright, it's like a denim. Okay. I'm gonna try to like show you guys when I put it on, but this is a denim shirt. Yeah, I know you're probably like, what the hell, Icylinn? But yeah, I think you just button this and then you tie this, because honestly, when it's on the model, there's no sleeves. Yeah, I'm right, because as you guys can see, like, this is not no sleeve. You have to tie it. Yep, I'm right. Period. It's like an acid dirty wash. It's cute. It's giving me like old vibes. Like, I like this. 2 buttons that's fancy, and then the rest is regular. This one's like a flower, and then this one is like, I don't know what this is. It gives me like old granny earring vibes, but it's cute. But that's all the items, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for 100. I keep on speaking in existence. Like, we're not there yet. Calm down. Thank you guys so much for 93K, I think. Thank you guys so much for 93K. We're almost at 94. We're almost at 100K. Road to 100K, alright? We got this. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so happy. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretties.
I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana. Roger that. Copiana. Benny Hanna, take a tonner. Bitch, I've been a gunner. He's screaming my government. On Nika Tanya. You look like Nicki now. Still, you Tatiana. To keep it 100, bitch, you Wacky.